Dear viewers, this video is part 2 of Amazon Web Services EBS volume. In this video, we will see how to detach a volume from an EC2 instance, how to attach it to another instance, and how to delete the EBS volume, and how to create a new EBS volume from a snapshot. We have two EC2 instances, TTG01 and TTG02. In this, we have attached a EBS volume to TTG01. We can see that by clicking on the instance ID and the details in the storage. So this volume is an EBS volume which is attached to this EC2 instance. Now we will see how to detach this instance from this EC2. Sorry, we will see how to detach this volume from the running EC2 instance. For detaching this volume from this instance, we need to first unmount this volume. So I'm connecting to this EC2 instance using SSH. We will see the mount details using lsblk-f. So this volume is attached to this mount point. To unmount, we will use sudo umount -d /dev/sdf. We will again see the mount details. So it is now unmounted. You can see that there's nothing in the mount point. So after this, we can go to the volumes. So this is the volume. Click on that. Click on actions, and then you can do detach volume. Click on detach. Now you can see the status. The status of now is detaching. We can also check the status from the instance and the volumes attached. So here we see only this volume, which is the root volume, and the other volume is now not attached to this instance. You can check the status again for the volume. So now the status is changed to available. So this is ready to be attached to any other instance. So we'll go to the instance again. I will stop TTG01. Now this instance is stopped. I will start TTG02. So now TTG02 is running. I will attach the volume which is detached from TTG01 to TTG02. So I check this button, click on actions, attach volume in the instances. So TTG02 is here, it's running. You can select that and attach the instance. Attach the volume to that instance. Click on the storage details. Attaching is still in progress. So you can see that volume is attached now. Now we have to connect to this EC2 instance and see if we have the same data when we detached it from the other EC2 instance. So for connecting that, we need this. So we are now connected to the EC2 instance TTG02. We will see the mount details. So now we have this volume, but it doesn't have a mount point. This EBS volume doesn't have a mount point. So we will create a folder cd. So now we will mount /dev/sdf to this folder. So the volume is now mounted. As you know, we have already created a file when we are connected to the instance TTG01. Let's see if that file is there. I'm moving into this folder. That's the mount folder. TTG mount. So you can see that snapshot 01, which is created while we have attached to the EC2 instance named TTG01, is still available when we connect to the EC2 instance TTG02. So now we have seen how to detach from one instance and attach to another instance. So in the next part, we will see how to delete the volume. So for before deleting the volume, it's better to detach it. So for detaching the volume, we have to unmount. So we will see, we'll first unmount this volume. So now it is unmounted. We can see that we're running the lsblk-f command. So there is a mount point here. So this volume is available for deletion now. You can go to the volumes. This is the volume. I can go to the actions and detach the volume. So this volume is successfully detached now. So now the volume can also be deleted. So we can delete this volume. So as you can see, the volume is not available now. It is deleted. Now let's see how to create a volume from an existing snapshot. So click on the snapshots. Here we have two snapshots. We will take one of the snapshot. Click on the actions and click on create volume. So we'll have that as 5 GB. We'll Okay, we can choose USC-2C as we have the EC2 instance running on that, and then click on create volume. So this volume is now ready. You can see that here it will be listed in the volumes as well. If you go on to the volumes, you can see that it is listed here. So now we will attach this to the already running EC2 instance TTG02 action, attach volume. So the TTG02 instance is running. Attach the volume to that instance. You can see the status. So it's showing as attaching. So you see that the volume which we have created from the snapshot is now attached to the EC2 instance. We are already connected to the EC2 instance. So now we will see the details of the EBS volume. It doesn't have a mount point. So we will create a mount point to the TTG mount directory. We will mount. So it's now mounted. We will move to that folder and see the files in there. So we have this snapshot01 file in the EBS drive. So that's how we create volume from an existing snapshot. And as you see, the snapshot01, which was created while attached to the other EC2 instance, is available when we create the EBS volume from the snapshot. So this concludes this demo of EBS. If you need further details about EBS or any other part of AWS basic services, please drop a note in the comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.